Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to do the TESBROS Chrome Delete Kit, the corner portion. So if you're interested, stay tuned. So we're going to work the corner portion today. So we're doing the driver's side, so that's what DC is, driver corner. And so basically, you're going to start from the corner first. I found it easier to peel these vinyls from the vinyl side first rather than the backing. So follow that in my tutorial here. And like I said, start with the actual corner and just anchor it. And what you want to do is work the top portion first. So it's the upper portion of the top piece. So work that, anchor that across, make sure it's lined up with the chrome. And once you do that, then you want to do the same thing on the bottom. So, well, sorry, I guess it's the reverse. So you want to do anchor the bottom portion of the bottom piece of this corner. And so as you can see, I'm just working it down, make sure it's lined up with the chrome. And just keep working your way all the way down to the end of the piece. So once you've done that, then you want to go to the top. So make sure you push from the crease of the chrome piece and then push it back towards the window. And just keep working it all the way up the bottom piece. And then work the middle, the actual, curve there. And if you want to use your heat, you can for this. Sometimes it makes it easier, and the squeegee. So work those two pieces, work the corner, and then work the bottom side of the upper side of this piece, if that makes sense. So go ahead and keep working your way across and down. Make sure that's nice and flat, no bubbles or creases or anything like that. And then once you've done that, then go back with the squeegee and your heat if you want to, and tuck in the corners if there are any to tuck in. I found it was basically a perfect match, and I didn't really have to tuck too much of the extra material in there. It was just, a perfect fit. Once you've done that, then go ahead and cut this piece here right down the middle, and then you can fold it in and make it really nice and even with the chrome. So start with the bottom piece, fold that in, and then fold this down. And then of course use your heat to round out the edges and make it look really molded to the chrome. And that's basically it for this piece. So I have tutorials on this entire Chrome Delete kit. The links are in the description. If you thought this video was helpful, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.